Okay, lawn fans, you ready? Let's talk about the adverse effects of cutting your lawn when it's wet. If you are cutting with a rotary mower, you do not want to cut a lawn when it's wet. All you're gonna do is tear the grass and rip it up and dull the blade on your mower. So don't do it if you got a rotary mower. Totally different action with the blade if you have a real mower, because it's turning like this and it's slicing the grass versus rotary spinning and ripping it. If you have a real mower, then you come out, get your hose, put it at one end of the lawn, you go to the other side and you drag your hose across the top of your grass and you knock down any condensation, dew, rain, anything like that, you knock it down below. That's for a light rain shower, by the way. Now, if you've had days of pouring rain and your lawn is soft, don't get out on it. Let it dry up or you're gonna rut it up. But if you don't take measures like dragging a hose, then after that, broom it, and then a light blowing off with your leaf blower. If you don't do that, then you're gonna come up with clumps of wet grass everywhere, and it's gonna be a bad cut. This morning I did it, I knew better. I did a rookie mistake. It's Father's Day weekend. I needed to get out here and bust this out. So I'll just show you. I had a few places come up with clumps like that, okay? So what did I do to remedy that problem is I came out here after it and I blew the lawn off. Simple as that. But if I wanted to take a couple of measures beforehand, I would have taken my hose, gone across the yard, I would have broomed it, and then I would have blown it off and I'd have been good to go. Now, I didn't have a rainstorm come through or anything like that. This was just dew. So that's why I was able to do that. Again, if you've had days of rain and your ground is soft, stay off your lawn. But if you've had a brief shower or something, you can do the same thing I did today and you'll be good to go. So that's what I've got to say about cutting when your lawn is wet. Again, I'm gonna say, if you have a rotary mower, do not cut your grass if it's wet. Real mower, you can. I'm about to put a top coat of sand out on the putting green today. I just cut it one ways. I'm in a time crunch. We're fixing to hit the pool. So that's what's going on this Saturday morning, day before Father's Day. And it's looking pretty good. I didn't touch the fringe, the apron. Now, I believe that I'm going to have to come out here and lift my mower blade up because of the mistake that I made with cutting this at setting 4 for a week and then trying to bring it back down. I just lost that ability to keep it low to the ground unless I take it to the dirt. And with the 4th of July, my personal lawn Super Bowl coming up, I'm not doing that. I'll do it after the 4th of July. So I'm gonna have to bump this up a notch. But she's looking okay. She's got a yellowish tinge to it from me cutting it short and trying to recover, and also verticutting. So that's what we got. I will check you guys out this coming week. Bermuda Brian, out.